Good evening, everyone. I guess we are live now. If you can see me, hear me both, just give me a yes in the chat window or the comment section wherever you are watching us live. Okay, so just give us a yes. If you can see us live, I guess, yes, I can see myself live. Okay, so we will start with today. Today we are going to understand with this video how to heal your past memories with Ho'oponopono. And there is a little secret which I will be sharing at the end of this video why it is important to heal your past memories. Okay, so let's understand how to heal your past memories using Ho'oponopono, and that is what Ho'oponopono is all about. Ho'oponopono is used to clean our memories, and definitely memories that we have are from the past. Before we start with this topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Beshu Bhargava, and I am a Ho'oponopono practitioner, where Ho'oponopono means it is an ancient healing practice which has been practiced since many, many ages in Hawaii, and it helps you to heal yourself, your problems, your memories, and everything whatnot. And this happens with many, many cleaning tools, out of which the most famous, most easiest, and fastest that we have learned is I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. So these four sentences which you are seeing at my screen are the sentences which are used as cleaning tools, one of the cleaning tools in Ho'oponopono, which is very simple and works very, very fast. So before we start with this particular topic, what you can heal and what you need to heal with your past, if you can tell me what is that you would like to heal from your past. So just look at your present and see what are those areas where you see a pattern in those areas. For example, your relationships, your health, your wealth, your career. Where can you see a pattern where you know that this is repeating with you all the time? Like however hard you're trying to work and make things work, you still come back to the same place because same things happen with you over and over. So what is that one area? Type that area in the chat window and we will take that particular area. So those who are watching this live on Instagram also, you can type that area in the comment section where you feel that this thing is happening again and again and again in your life. However hard you're trying to change it, you're not able to change those areas. So you can type that area, whether it's health, is it relationship, is it your career, is it your wealth. So once you type and once you are clear with what you want to heal, we will move forward with this video. So I'm just waiting for the comments. Okay, so some problem with the internet. Okay, I guess I'm back. Okay, so one person says held. And what about others? Others, if you can type in the chat, I'll be able to understand. Okay, there is some problem in the live stream, I guess. Okay. Okay, so there is some problem with the stream, I guess, and I'm not able to even end the live video.